Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over this topic I've seen a lot of people make videos on, how to remove watermark from Sora 2. So I also created this, right? There's a watermark, and there are people complaining they have paid for the pro version as well, and they're not able to get rid of the watermark even though that is promised. So the way that is working right now, the pro version, it removes the watermark for the older Sora 1. Sora 2, it's actually not yet out for without watermark, right? You can use it. We're using Sora 2 to generate these videos, but to actually remove the watermark yet, it's not possible, okay? They haven't released that version yet. They're still working on it. That's what they have officially said, okay? And it will be out very soon. So if you found this video helpful, you appreciate the honesty, right? You don't have to watch another video on this again and end up in a fake website, fake video where you have to spend money. This is it. It's not out yet. And if you found this helpful, appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.